Who is the richest man in the world in 2025? On number 5, we have the French businessman, investor, and art collector. Also, the founder, chairman, and CEO of Louis Vuitton, the owner of the world's largest luxury goods company, Bernard Arnault, has a net worth of over $168 billion. Number 4, American businessman, who is the owner, CEO, and chairman of all the social media meta platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Mark Zuckerberg has a net worth of over $202 billion. Number 3, American businessman and entrepreneur who co-founded software company Oracle Corporation, Larry Ellison, has a net worth of over $209 billion. Number 2, American businessman best known as the founder, executive chairman, and former president and CEO of Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce and cloud computing company, and is the second wealthiest person in the world, Jeff Bezos, has a net worth of over $233 billion. Number 1, American businessman and U.S. special government employee, best known for his companies Tesla, Starlink, SpaceX, and his ownership of Twitter. Elon Musk is the wealthiest individual in the world with a whopping net worth of over $421 billion.